Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making frozen grapes. Now this is one refreshing treat, transforming your ordinary grapes into a delicious frozen snack, perfect for hot summer days or whenever the craving strikes. So let's get started. Alright, let's dive right into this recipe. It's really easy, so follow along. For this, you're going to need 4 clusters of seedless grapes. I like to use a mix of your favorite variety for this. You want to remove the grapes and all their stems and place them into a large bowl. We're going to rinse these grapes off with cold running water. Then you want to transfer them to a paper towel and make sure you pat them dry. Once they're clean and dry, you want to transfer them into a large Ziploc bag. And then we're going to add a 1/3 cup's worth of granulated white sugar into the bag and toss the grapes until they're all well coated. We're going to transfer the coated grapes to our freezer and allow these to freeze for at least 6 hours or overnight. And the next day, these are ready to serve. You want to transfer them to a serving bowl and enjoy. And just like that, you've made frozen grapes right at home. A variation on this recipe is you can try dipping the frozen grapes in melted chocolate before you freeze them for another sweet layer of flavor. But these are great poolside, or you can take them to the beach. Try making these as a cool way to fight off that heat this summer. And when you do try them, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 5, Mastering Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make these frozen grapes, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button too to always see more recipes just like this one. And sharing is caring, so if you enjoyed this recipe and think someone else will too, feel free to share this with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I show you a great breakfast or dessert option, my lemon poppy seed mini muffins. These are really easy to make and they taste amazing. Well, thank you all again so much for watching. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. You can always check out my recipes on my page now. YouTube thinks you like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.